Hi viewers, welcome to my online lesson. So I'm going to continue with the videos on the solutions to Bece Mathematics 2023. This is paper 2. Now I'm going to continue from the number 9. As you can see from the number 9, we have a question here. If x equals to 24y over pr, make y the subject of the solution. Here, what we are going to do here is to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, you can put over 1 here. So when you put over 1 here, then x times pr will give us prx or xpr. Then 24y times 1 will give us 24y. Then divide both sides by 24, you have prx or xpr over 24. So therefore, y equals to xpr over 24. And the answer is B. That's the option for the answer is B. Number 10, solve the equation x plus 1 over 5 minus 1 equals to 1 over 6. This one as well, we are going to cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it's going to be 6 times this, 1 times 6. So 6 times this, you put it in brackets. Please don't forget, take note of that. Then 1 times this is also the same thing, so open the bracket. 6 times x, 6x. 6 times 1, 6. Then 1 times 5s, 5s. 1 times minus 1, minus 1. Then collect the like terms. That is bringing 5 here and sending 6 to the other side. So that will be 6x minus 5s. We have x minus 1 minus 6 will give us minus 7. So that means the options for the answer is A. Number 11, we have to expand x plus 2 in brackets and another bracket 2x minus 1. So when you expand this, you're going to have x times 2x will give us 2x squared. X times minus 1 will give us minus x. 2 times 2x will give us 4x. Then 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. Now, 2x squared minus x plus 4x. Somebody is owing you 1 naira and he has 4 naira. If he paid 1 naira from the 4 naira he has, 3 naira will be left. Minus 2. So the option for the answer is A. Number 12 is a linear inequality questions, or let me say inequalities questions. So we are going to have a table there. We are going to plot a table. So in the table here, we are given about 4 unknowns, A, B, C, and D. And we are going to use this equation to find the solution. Now, the first one here, we have A. So when you are solving for y at this, you use your x as 3. So that means when x is minus 3. So minus 3 times 2 will give us minus 6 and plus 5. So when you take away, somebody is owing you 6 naira and you have 5 naira. If you settle 5 naira from the 6 naira, you have 1 naira left. So, and the correct option for that answer is B. Then we have to find the value of B times D plus D. B times C plus D. So before you can do that, you must get the value of B and D and C as well. So what is our value of B? You go to the table again and check. That is when x is equal to minus 1. Then come back to this place. That is the equation. Minus 2 times 1 will give us minus 2 plus 5. Then minus 2 plus 5 will give us 3. Then for C, you go to where you have C. X is 1. So 1 times 2 will give us 2 plus 5 will give us 7. That means B is 3, while C is 7. Now for D, go to D, we have x to be 3. So 3 times 2 will give us 6 plus 5, that is 11. Now substitute to this expression, B times C plus D. B is 3, C is 7, that's 3 times 7 plus 11. So 3 times 7 will give us 21 plus 11, that is 32. And the correct option is E. Then this question number 14 is inequality questions. Now, we have greater than or equals to say, and greater than or equals to is having this symbol to be ticking under that the one that is blank. So this one is ticking on, and that's why the option is going to be this question, particular one that is x greater than minus 2 from the graph, you understand? So, and don't forget that if the arrow is facing the left, the sign will be facing the right. So that is why you see the sign here is facing the opposite side of the arrow. The question number 15, 2/3 of a certain number is greater than 6. Find the range of values of the number. 2/3 of a certain number. We don't know the number, call it x greater than 6. So what you are going to do there now is to multiply these 2 by x. You have 2x over 3 greater than 6. So cross multiply, that will be 2x greater than 3 times 6. That will give us 18. Divide both sides by 2, you have x greater than 9. That's the answer. And the correct option for that is B. Then the number 16 is a simultaneous equation. We have x plus y equals to 9. Because from the question, it says, it's a word problem question related to simultaneous equation. The sum of two numbers is 9. We don't know the number, so let's call it x and y. And their difference is 3. That means x minus y is 3. So when you use some knowledge of simultaneous equation, use elimination method. If you add minus y plus y together to give you 0. So x plus s will give us 2x. Then, if s plus s is 2s, 9 plus 3 will also give us 12. Divide both sides by 2, you have 6. That means your x is 6. If you substitute the value of x to equation 1, then the answer will be 3. So the correct option for that answer is option D. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.